Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix this Apple account has not yet been used in the iTunes store on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone or iPad, you're facing the issue that whenever you try to use your Apple account in your iTunes store or the App Store, you might see the error that this account has not yet been used with the iTunes store or the App Store. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So you just need to update your billing address to fix the issue. Now to do this, just simply make sure that you have a stable and secure network connection, and you have to also check for your VPN connection. If you're connected to any kind of VPN, just try to disconnect with that. After disconnecting VPN, simply open your App Store, and here just tap on the profile option at the top right, then tap on your Apple ID, and here you just have to verify yourself using your Face ID or your Apple ID password. Then select country or region option from here, and you just have to select your own country or region in which you're living, or you can also select the country or region which you have just selected. Then select the continue option from here, then tap on agree at the top right, and here you just have to add your payment method. If you have any payment methods, you can add it here, or if you don't have, just tap on this none option, then enter your billing address correctly, just enter your street. These two are optional, so you can skip them. Then enter your postcode. If you don't know about that, you can search from Google. Enter your town, your country, your phone number, your name, and after all, just tap on an option at the top right, and your billing address will be updated. So once you have updated your billing address, your issue might have to be fixed. Or if it's still not fixed your issues, you can try to use the Apple Sport app. You can easily install this app from your App Store. You can use the Apple Sport app. Select iPhone from here, select more option, select App Store, and here just wait for the loading, and then just tap on get more help, then tap on callers. After that, you'll find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number, and you will be connected with Apple support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.